For me, kama Stingy Men Association, nataka kusema wale wanapeleka madems yao kesho Valentine wawache.
So hello guys, so today I have a friend of mine here and I wanted him to introduce himself first. So
okay, I'm Alex Mtunga, or you can call me Jason.
So Alex, what I was asking you today is that what is your perception towards Valentine? So like unakubaliana na Valentine ama ni Kenya nafaa kutolewa?
Of course nakubaliana nayo, maana ni siku iko, ni siku imesetiwa na siku tumeikuta. But on my side it depends on my current situation. If you have someone, you have then to make her happy, so you'll take her out, do those small things. But on my side I don't think kama nitakuwa because
so hauna plans for Valentine?
I don't have. Inategemea mfuko ndio inasema kama utakuwa na plans ama hauna.
So this time nyinyi mnaenda men's conference?
Of course tumeset mipango. So from today by saa 3 tutakuwa tumeenda, so we'll come by date 15. So I think tomorrow we don't count, we just don't count it as a day.
So do you think there is a lot of pressure kwa men towards Valentine, as in mademo wanapea pressure mob sana towards the Valentine?
Of course lazima upewe pressure because unajua wasichana wanakuwa tofauti. Naweza kuwa na mtu then unapata ako na mabeshte, so mabeshte zake vitu wanafanyiwa na machali zao ana expect umfanyie na without considering mfuko yako. But well, mambo ikienda po wenye wanasemaga, unajua sisi ni wale watu ngoje ile deal ingiane. So deal ikiingiana probably by maybe next week I can do it post, but for now leo na kesho I don't see any miracle happening. So she love to bear with it.
So thank you so much, Alex.
My name's Nasira Hussein Molu. Stingy Men Association Muranga chapter. Mine is about so you're talking about Valentine, right?
Yeah, I was asking about your perception towards Valentine. What do you feel about Valentine?
Okay, in the first place, my dean definitely nakata this Valentine. And I, apart from dean, maybe one is treat this day as normal day. Every day, kila siku nafai kwa siku ya kufurahisha maybe manzi yako, ukitaka kumtoa. It's not much kwa sababu people are different. Kuna mwenye akona pesa, kuna mwenye hawana. So a day like this maybe kuna wenye wale madems wanaweza kosa boyfriend, waanze kufikiria vibaya na hata kujinyonga.
Yeah, so apart from dini, like unaona tu day like iko na pressure, si ndio?
Sana tena. So for me, kama Stingy Men Association, nataka kusema wale wanapeleka madems yao kesho Valentine wawache, kwa sababu wenye hawana dem ni wengi sana. Na tujaribu kustyle up tafadhali, kwa sababu wenye hawana dem ni wengi. Ndio watu isikuwe na pressure mingi na watu waanze kujua. Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much. So the next lady I'm interviewing is a good friend of mine. So tell us your name and tell us like what you feel towards Valentine.
Okay, hello. I'm called Catherine. And to me Valentine's, I can't say it's like another day. So because I'm single, but I'm single and searching. So like I'm not saying it makes any difference to Valentine's. It doesn't have any difference with any other day. So mi niko tu any Valentine's. So mtu ako interested, si unadhani hola.
So to you like Valentine kama to any other day, like what unafaa kutreatiwa the other days vile tu wanatreatiwanga Valentine?
Valentine's to me, for a lady I will say yes, I agree to Valentine. You have to be treated. If you have a guy, your guy has to treat you very well. He takes you out, maybe gifts and surprises. Yeah, so to me, I agree to Valentine's. But though, to me, yani niko tu.
Na una feel like madam sikizo na pressure maboy sana na Valentine, ama ni normal like dem baka treatiwe?
Sana, but the squeeze madam like they want attention. I don't blame them. Do maybe wanataka kufeel difference of Valentine's. So yeah, there's pressure, but what can you say? But what I can say, a guy has to treat her lady male anaweza mtreat. Kama hawezi, the girl has to understand that the guy can treat her na maisha iendelee. Na hivyo nafaa ikue.
Thank you so much. So the next person I'm interviewing, so tell us your name.
Ni Simon Kibugi aka Simple.
So Simon, nilikuwa nauliza like what is your perception towards Valentine?
Valentine's is a day just like any other day. Ni vile tu iko na title.
So like how you value like ni time ya kwenda kutreat manzi yako vitu kama hizo?
Okay, if at all, first of all, before that you weren't living well, why does this day make a difference kwa hizo zingine? Ni siku tu ya kawaida yani. So but you can give her special treatment to appreciate her, kumfanya feel accepted according to the social values zenye ziko around. Lazima umfanyia feel hata yako na mtu mwenye amemrank hivyo.
So una feel like nowadays kuna pressure kwa men towards yani kutreat mademo vitu kama hizo?
Definitely. Definitely. Jisa kama mimi sasa hivi mimi naona ikiwa siku ya kawaida kuna mwingine mwenye amepanga anampeleka vacation mahali. Unacheki kitu kama hiyo. Alafu sasa wewe mwenye amepelekwa vacation utakamwa kae na msupo wangu area code. Alafu ataanza kumchapia, unajua mimi manze jo nilikuwa Diani. Alafu yeye amwambie mimi nilikuwa tu paha vihi nikikula tu chapo na labda ka chakula ya mtaa ama labda niletewa maua. So at the end of the day ata feel degraded according to the social standards. So ni social pressure tu ndio inatuwekelea nini. Otherwise ni siku ya kawaida. So me advice yangu tu naweza sema treat your woman good every single day and make every day her Valentine's Day.
Okay, thank you so much. Next, I have a really great friend of mine ever since I joined this school, so he's going to introduce himself.
Yeah, my name is Abdinor Mohammed. I'm from KMTC, finalist.
So Nur, today we were talking about Valentine. So what do you feel about Valentine? Like nyi wanaume mmekaliwa ama form ya Valentine ni gani?
No, as a Muslim, we don't recognize Valentine's, and it's an awful day, because if you treat one day to be like something to be practiced, it's something that is an awful practice, and that's why I don't recognize in Islam, and it is haram. So that's why I don't recognize Valentine, because as we say, every day is a new day to love someone. You have to love someone that you love, or your wife or your girlfriend or someone you're engaged to. You love him each day. You don't leave him because of some day and the next day you are not showing love. That's not love. So let us not just practice on Valentine's wearing the red things or the flowers. We waste the resources. Let us conserve our resources on building something, so that let us not complain later.
So for you, like Valentine's is not that just for this 14th of February. Every day is Valentine's Day.
Yeah, every day is a loving day. It's not has to be Valentine's. Valentine's is a theory for someone who has come up with it and has put it into to the world. It's not something that can be practiced even for the people. Like the religious people, it's not something, it's not there. It is not in the script. It's not the way it is stated. It's a mind concept of the world, politics and everything that is being brought up here.
Okay, thank you very much. Perception. So what do you feel about Valentine? And first of all, tell us your name.
My name is Charlene Sokoro.
So what do you feel about Valentine?
Valentine's ni siku kama kawaida tu. Juu nimeishi shule high school, seti naweza date anyone, so kwa shule tu, so siku ya kawaida tu.
So like uko na any plans ama tu ni kuishi tu siku ya kawaida tu like any other person?
Siku ya kawaida nataka hapo nikiwatch. I love watching, so maybe Valentine's ni kitu utafanya kitu unapenda coach.
So una feel like madam siku hizo na pressuring my boys about Valentine, kupelekwa out, kutreatiwa?
Vibaya tena sana.
Yeah. So thank you so much.